subconscious mind, and I always believed the subconscious mind governed the way you lived if you allowed it to or knew how to get into it. So, and I believed that a hypnosis was one way to get through to your conscious mind, or subconscious mind rather, and it was really because of Danielle, my daughter, who was unwell and was pregnant, and it was a desperation situation. I walked up the centre one day and I saw Martin St James, and I'd heard a lot about him over the years, and I thought this is a way to go. It was like a last resort, and I believed so strongly that this was going to work for my daughter, and I honestly believe that the two of us together would not have got through without the hypnosis. Yeah. I for a long time tried to tell Danielle about subconscious. I bought books, I preached, but like a mother to a daughter, yeah, they don't want to know, but when someone else comes in, and it was almost like Martin was giving her the same advice that I'd been giving to her, and she listened, and here we are, beautiful 8.5 months old daughter, granddaughter.
I've just had my first child, Lily. I have a long medical history from the age of 12 of a lot of abdominal surgery, total colectomy now, so I've had my large bowel removed. So I have a lot of, obviously, adhesion, scar tissue, and I also suffer from epilepsy, and resulting from that is also migraines. So through all my surgeries to even fall pregnant was a miracle in itself, but then to be able to carry a child to full term was quite difficult. I could suffer from what they term grand mal seizures, and they were primarily in my sleep. So I wouldn't always know that I'd had a seizure. The seizures were quite severe and could take me 2-3 days to actually recover from. I'd be very disorientated, very, very confused, almost getting a little bit obsessive compulsive with my behaviour afterwards because I couldn't remember things, I couldn't focus, severe headaches. After using and coming here for my hypnotherapy and having the CDs that I'd listened to, firstly my sleep pattern improved, which is a major thing with epilepsy, because when you lack of sleep can trigger seizures. Also my recovery time from 2 to 3 days was brought back to maybe 24 hours, but also the severity of the after effects was probably 30%. So I'd improved by 70%. Towards the end of my pregnancy, I did spend the last 3 months in hospital. A lot of it was due to some complications with the baby growing because of the restrictions from my surgery. Also very intense pain as all the scar tissue was stretching. I had a very active little baby in there who kicked from the minute I woke up all night, all day. Best way I found to relax, and because I was on some pain relief throughout the pregnancy from about 24 weeks, I wanted to reduce that as much as possible. With her moving and kicking, it made it obviously a lot worse. So I'd started to put the headphones across my stomach to try and settle her down, quieten her down, especially when I needed to rest when the pain was severe. Lo and behold, it worked. She would, actually within 2 to 3 minutes start to quieten down and settle down, which then obviously gave me a lot of relief and I could relax. So I was doing that every day with her. When I was a little bit, not sceptical, because I did believe very strongly in hypnosis, but I wasn't sure, because I had such a strong medical problems, just how much it could actually help. I was fortunate that my doctors, my specialist, my obstetrician and my local doctor all supported me doing the hypnotism and hypnotherapy, and I think that gave me the confidence to stick with it without any hesitation. Absolutely try it, give it a go. I got some sceptical looks at hospital from some of the nursing staff to begin with, but when they saw I was going 12 hours, sometimes 24 hours without needing pain relief, and there was proof that it was working, that's all I needed to see. So any mothers out there, expecting mothers having problems, even if you're having a breeze of a pregnancy, just to relax, just to prepare yourself to get your sleep pattern in order, because once the baby comes, that goes out of whack. Without hesitation, go for it 100%. There's my toes, Mum. There's my toes, Mum. There they are.
Thank you on behalf of Lily. Lily, I'll go on behalf of Lily. Thank you very much because of you and what you've helped us with. We've got Lily here, and this is part of you too. Thank you.